Namaste. So today's our topic is therapeutic index. Medial lethal dose or LD50 dose which would be expected to kill one half of a studied population. Then medial effective dose or ED50 dose which produce a desired response in 50% of the test population is the effective dose. Then therapeutic index give a rough idea about the potential effectiveness and safety of the drug in the human is the therapeutic index. So it is LD50 upon ED50 is TI means therapeutic index. So you can see the therapeutic index here, effect of drug, then dose of drug. You can see low to high and low to high both sides. Then you can see the ED50 and LD50 dose response curve for the analgesic effect of morphine and dose response curve for the depressive effect of morphine on respiration. So both you can see. Then factor modifying the dose and action of the drug. So first is age, second is sex, third is body weight, fourth is genetic, fifth is drug tolerance, sixth is drug intolerance, seventh is disease state. So now let's see drug interaction. Consequently of drug interaction, intense signification of effect, increased therapeutic or adverse effect, additive drug effect, most frequently seen when two drugs possess similar intrinsic activity, sedative, hypnotic type drug like barbiturates, alcohol, benzodiazepine, diazepam, administered in combination will produce additive effect resulting in over sedation. Then synergism, the effect of two drugs in combination is greater than the sum of the drug administered alone. Next is potentiation. One substance alone does not have effect, but when added to another chemical it becomes effective. Next is reduction of the effect. Inhibit drug effect either beneficial or detrimental agonism. It occurs when the effect of one drug is diminished by the other drug. Type of antagonism: chemical antagonism or inactivation, physiological functional antagonism, then pharmacological or receptor antagonism, then pharmacokinetic depositional antagonism. Next, basic mechanism of drug interaction. Direct mechanism of physical interaction can occur with mixed together. Pharmacokinetic interaction can alter or fold process like absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion. Increase or decrease pH, laxative, change in blood flow, distribution, competition for protein binding or change in extracellular pH, metabolism, induction of the drug metabolizing enzyme, inhibition of metabolizing and competition of the metabolism, excretion, alter the renal excretion like filtration, reabsorption and secretion. Then pharmacodynamic interaction at the same receptor, almost always inhibitory interaction resulting from the action of at the separate site, if drug influence the same physiological process. Then drug food interaction, impact of the food on the drug absorption, decrease rate and extent of absorption. Some food can increase extent of the drug absorption. Impact of the food on the drug absorption or metabolism. The grapefruit juice affect metabolism of certain drug. Impact of food on the drug toxicity is mode of action with tyramine, caffeine with theophylline. Then impact of food on the drug action, vitamin K with warfarin. These are the common impact of food on the drug reaction. Hope you will understand about the food and drug interaction. For any query, you can comment below. Thank you.